What's up, Film Jammers? I hope you're all staying healthy and safe. This is quite a pickle that the world is in right now. So this week I wanted to take some time and share some ways that you can stay productive and potentially make some money during this crazy time. Coronavirus is impacting us all, but the film and video and photo industries have gotten hit especially hard. Many film productions have been completely shut down. Most freelance jobs have been canceled. Most of our jobs have been canceled. And a lot of states, almost all of them now, are in a complete full lockdown and quarantine. And we're all wondering what's going to happen next. So what can you do to stay afloat during tough times like this? So today, we're going to try and find some silver linings during this catastrophe. There actually might be some things that are easier to do today than they were yesterday when maybe the phone was ringing off the hook and the toilet paper shelves were stocked. So let's take a look at 11 tips to survive the apocalypse. Now, more than ever, companies are promoting their brands on social media, websites, etc. With quarantines and social distancing in effect, restaurants and bars closing, traditional business is all but gone. Many large marketing events and conferences have been canceled, but companies still need to get the word out about their products. For example, NAB, the largest video production conference in the world, was canceled in April, but the companies there are still planning to release their products. Using videos and photos online to market these products is now more important than ever. On a smaller scale, you can reach out to local businesses and see if they need photos or videos to promote themselves online. Using social media and websites is integral to these businesses surviving, and you as a creator have the tools needed to help them. Instead of releasing products or announcements at large trade shows with a lot of people, everything is going to be done online now, and companies need video and photo creators to do this. So reach out and connect with the people that can make those marketing decisions. As an example, when NAB was canceled, we partnered with numerous vendors to create videos for their products, since they won't be able to announce them at the trade show. Luckily, a lot of us can create these videos or photography from home with minimal to no crew, so we can still create while under the quarantine. With many live events canceled, for example, Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference, live streams are going to become more and more common. Even the president now is live streaming as opposed to meeting the press in person for certain situations. You can set up a very inexpensive live stream studio in your home or office to offer this service to clients. Live streaming may help local businesses reach their clients and survive. And if you're under a complete quarantine and you can't go outdoors, you can offer to live stream for your clients. I think there's going to be a huge market for this in the coming weeks as more and more lockdowns continue to happen. So get that live stream studio set up now. I've also seen some of my musician friends live stream concerts from their home, and they'll put a link below to their Venmo or their PayPal, or there's certain apps that allow them to take tips. So get creative and offer something unique that you can stream live for either yourself or your clients to earn some extra money. More and more companies are starting to offer relief programs for film and video creators. Right now, Adobe is offering 2 months free on their Creative Cloud plan, so you can continue to use Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, After Effects, etc. Adobe Creative Cloud is almost $50 per month, and every little bit helps. And plus, that's like 2 rolls of toilet paper, accounting for inflation. If you rent a studio or have a home office, contact your landlord about any kind of relief programs they might have. I contacted our landlord and they said that they're working on a relief program for the tenants. I'm not sure what it is yet, but hopefully they'll be offering something to help the businesses here stay afloat. A lot of people want to help during this time of crisis, and sometimes you just need to reach out and ask. So I recommend you ask immediately, my dear fellows. A lot of websites like iStock, VideoBlocks, Pond5, etc. offer a percentage of sales for creators that add stock video, photos, or music to their content library. Using the downtime you might have right now to film or photograph or create music can be a great way to earn a little extra cash. You can film stock video or take stock photos by yourself, and if you're quarantined, you can shoot right in your home. So think up some creative stock footage that you could shoot. Wait. We could shoot doctors. We could shoot nurses right now. Quarantined people, cats. People always want that. Quarantined kittens. It's gonna be huge. So upload all that footage online. Start collecting your royalty checks. If you have a specialty in something, create an online class. Sites like Udemy offer a way for you to sell online courses. So you could create a video on how to edit or how to do 3-point lighting, for example, and then charge people a fee to download it. There are a number of different learning websites that you can use that charge a percentage of what you sell. Or if you're feeling ambitious, you can create your own website to sell all of your content. How to make the perfect pancake.net, pineappleicecream.org. What about drinking cappuccinos with alpacino.com? No, that wouldn't sell. Al Pacino. Sell a movie on Vimeo.com. Vimeo.com offers options to sell movies and videos on demand for creators. We have 2 movies that we produced that are on Vimeo on demand. We have The Skyship Chronicles and Jules Dongu Saves the World. So if you have a project that's been sitting on the back burner for a while now, get it up there, get it on demand, promote it. People are looking for movies to watch during quarantine, and people want to help small businesses and creators. So put it up on demand and you might earn a little extra money. So if you have a link to your film, share it with us in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. If it's about man-eating rabbits from space, that's what the people want. If you've been thinking about updating your portfolio, demo reel, or resume, a little alone time might be the perfect opportunity to do that. I know I'm always saying, I'll get to making that demo reel when I'm less busy, ma. But I'm not really busy now. So we're gonna make a new Steadicam demo reel. We have the footage, it's been something we've been talking about for a while, and if or when we get back to normal, we'll then have that marketing material to put on our website, promote it, and hopefully blast off to new business. Ready for blast off, Captain. New business. File for unemployment. There's nothing to feel bad about here. We all pay into the federal unemployment fund with every paycheck we make. So if you need it, claim some of that money back. It might not be a huge payout, but every little bit helps in situations like this. If filing for unemployment can help put food on the table, why not do it? There's nothing like giving back to people and putting some good karma out there in the universe. If you're able to volunteer or donate a video or some photos to a business that might be hit hard by all of this, when all this nonsense gets back to normal, you might receive some of that good karma right back. Plus, it feels pretty good to help others in a time of need. So this one is an all-around win-win in my book. I don't really have a book, it's more of a pamphlet. But most of the times that I've reached out to help people, it normally gets repaid in double. So send a little love, get a little love back, give a little bit of that life for me. Now, because of copyright infringement, we can't use the real melody. Give a little bit of my love to you. Give a little bit. It's what you wanna do when you're in an apocalypse. Apocalypse, apocalypse. You got really pretty lips, girl. While having money to pay the rent and buy food is definitely at the forefront of all of our minds right now, having some extra time can be a great opportunity to invest in yourself. There are so many good online classes right now. A lot of universities are making them available for free to people. There's a plethora of knowledge on YouTube, masterclass.com, Film Jams, where you can learn, get smarter while under the quarantine. While everyone else is getting fat eating potato chips and Oreos, you could become a literal encyclopedia of knowledge. You could cross your DNA with a shark and a whale and an alligator, and you could solve crossword puzzles in under 2 minutes and cure any disease. And it's a great idea. Read up on search engine optimization or study that program you've always been meaning to learn. I mean, I've been always talking about learning Resolve, and now might be the perfect time to do that. What am I doing here? Sell your Alexa for a case of toilet paper. What? No. I'd rather wipe my butt with a dirty rag full of fire ants than do that. You crazy? Come on. But, I mean, if it comes down to it and you need to sell some equipment, now might be a good time to look into that. A lot of lens and camera manufacturers had to shut down production due to the coronavirus quarantine. So right now, some of these products might fetch a higher price on the used market. So it's definitely worth checking out if you're thinking about selling some items anyway. All right, well, I hope these tips help you stay productive and maybe earn you a little extra money if you're quarantined right now. I'm Christian with Film Jams, and we'll try and keep these videos coming at you every Tuesday and Friday.
Clothing optional quarantine bath begins in 3 minutes.
I gotta go. I'm gonna be making a website, howtomakeacheeseburger.com. It's gonna be delicious. Quarantine. And I'm rapping. Wash those hands now.